Hello guys, in today's video we are going to discuss how to backup your MacBook to iCloud. Let's start the video. First open your system preferences. Now you can see here Apple ID, click on Apple ID. Now you can see here iCloud, click on iCloud. Now what you have to do, first you have to log in your Apple ID here. Start using iCloud. Enter your Apple ID here. Now enter your password here. Click on next. As you can see, I have signed in my Apple ID on iCloud. Now click on iCloud. Now check the boxes you want to take backup to your iCloud. Let's suppose I want to take backup of Safari. Just tick the Safari box. Click on OK. Now you can see it is synchronized to iCloud. This is the way to synchronize your Mac with iCloud. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.